Peace and love, everyone. This is Sister Iman. I am dropping another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Kilauea Volcano in Hawaii, and I'm going to read you this article. Kilauea Volcano Eruption resumes after short pause. The off and on activity continues at Kilauea Volcano, where the eruption has once again resumed at the summit caldera. The eruption of lava from the western vent of Halima's Uma'u crater resumed Monday evening at around 9 p.m., scientists say. Inflationary tilt was present for most of yesterday, with the onset of brief deflationary tilt just before midnight. The USGS Hawaiian Volcano Observatory reported on Tuesday. Earthquake activity means below background. The most recent measurement of sulfur dioxide emission rate on December 13, 2021 was approximately 125 tons per day in the midst of the eruptive pause over the preceding 2 days, USGS said. Lava continues to erupt from the same western vent and Halima's Uma'u, refilling the former lake area with fresh lava Tuesday morning. The eruption remains confined to the summit caldera within Hawaii's Volcano National Park. No unusual activity has been noted in the Kilauea East Rift Zone, scientists note. The Kilauea volcano alert level remains at watch, and the USGS HVO says it will continue to issue daily Kilauea volcano updates until further notice. What I'm going to do, I'm going to post a link to this article under the video title. I will close it out. Like, share, and subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Peace.